Guys, why when we are reviewing the show and nina nithi abanye benu you are biased. You are biased. And then you act like it's a discovery. You know, when they discovered gold back then, in South Africa there's gold. You think you are coming, up with something new. You are biased. Vele sibias. Vele sibias. When I review the show, it's in Tando reviewing the show. I have life experiences that I have gone through as a person. People around me have gone through things. I have a certain level of education and experience in life, in whether it's business, whether it's in the work environment. All of that, all of the being a mom, being a sister, being a sibling, being a friend, all of that is what makes Undando. There are things that I can relate to because of my own personal life experiences. It is impossible to watch a reality show and not be biased in a way. There are people that believe in Isitembu. There are people that don't believe in Isitembu. And I'm one of those people that wouldn't get on Isitembu. But I have seen it work and I have seen it not working. And I've seen most people not. You understand what I'm saying? All of those things influence my thoughts, they influence my views. So, how can I review the show and not be biased when I am a human being? If a woman is on TV going through an experience that I can relate to or that I can understand, why do you think that when you say I am biased, then you are coming up with now all of a sudden in South Africa there is oil? You act like you have just discovered oil in Durban or something. Why do you act like that? We are biased. Even you are biased. If you are not a human being. There are things I can relate to, there are things that I cannot relate to. There was a time I related mostly to Matele. I understood her. I understood her struggle. There was a time when I understood my yen. There was a time when I understood. I would always say Mangwabe is me and I am Mangwabe. So how can I not be biased? And I'm a woman. I'm not a man. I'm a woman. When a woman hurts, that I know how that feels like. That's why I was saying that as women, we know the feeling here. We know the feeling here. Even a woman can come and lie on TV and say they are happy, but Tina, we know. Tina, we know. How much? Why do you are biased? What does that? What? Yeah, of course I am, because I'm a human being. And if you don't like the fact that I am biased, just move on. Other people like my biasness, They come here, sibe bias sonke ndawonye. So siyekeni sibe biased because it's impossible to not be biased because I don't understand all life experiences. I'm a woman. I am 46, okay? I am married. But I spent a long time not being married. I have views about being single, being married, competing, having a boyfriend, not having a boyfriend, having a career, not having a career. I'm a human being. I give my reviews based on that, what I see, what I can relate to, what I don't understand, what I understand, because it is me reviewing the show. So how can I not be biased? Listen, okay? Don't be over here acting like you have discovered something new, okay? Inkinga yeni English. Ngoba mangingasho nje ngithi bhala ngesiZulu lento yakho uthi ngibias. Bhala ngolimi lwakho awukwazi kodwa ubhizi bias. Nawe you are bias ngoba awuyazi lento. Mangithi bhala ngolimi lwakho ukuthi ngibias, ngeke ukwazi ukubhala ukuthi kuthini. It's impossible not to be biased because I am a human being. If you don't like it, get the hell on, honey. Oh, guys. Bengithi ngifuna ngixoxele esinye isitori athi ngangixoxele bazothi ngibias.